You're welcome back to our channel. So if you're a web designer or you're into web design or you're still thinking of building a site this year, then trust me, you need to stay afloat or ahead of the curve. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you or telling you rather about the 5 top trending websites in 2025. Now, the first one is the immersive 3D interactive elements. Websites aren't flat anymore. Designers are now making use of 3D visuals, animations, as well as scroll triggered effects to make web design look more beautiful. Yes, and it doesn't just make it look more beautiful, it also helps to keep the client or the customer for a longer while. The second one is AI powered personalization. All thanks to AI, websites are getting way smarter. Now think about your tailored power suggestions. Think about your personalized layout or your dynamic content, all dependent on how users get to, use the site. Trust me when I say that it is the future of the user experience. The third one is dark mode and bold minimalism. Now, dark mode is more than a trend. It is more like a user preference. Paired with clean layout and bold typography, it helps to give your site a modern, sleek look that helps restrain the eyes from so much bright light and also helps to keep your site as professional as possible. Number 4, micro interactions and motion effects. Now, small things make a big difference, like your hover effects, like your um, layout animations, and like your button transitions. Now, these very small interactions, they help to guide your user subtly, and also they help to keep the site, your site, refined and very much responsive. The fifth one is voice and accessibility first design. Now, websites are becoming more inclusive with voice enabled navigation and also screen record friendly features or screen reader friendly features. Now, this enables users to use the site with ease, and it also makes it usable for both users and search engines. So a bonus trend is the performance and eco-friendly design. Now the lightweight, fast-loading websites and as well the green hosting are gaining traction. It is not just good for the planet; it also helps to optimize, help you to optimize the search engine optimization, and it also helps you as a user friendly on the site. Now, whether or not you're a web designer or you're just a business owner, incorporating one of these trends into your site building this year would go a long way for you. If you gained value for your time on this space, ensure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop your comments in the comment section. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye.